Hey, what's up guys, Bearded Coder here. So today we'll be building a simple number increment app in which I'll try to show you how to increment values and how to see errors in the app. Because in this I'll be making some mistake and we'll be seeing how to recognize errors and how to solve them. So first of all, we'll have to change the layout, because as you all know, this is the layout from a previous tutorial in which I created an app in which we send data from one activity to the other activity. So now I'll keep the everything same, but I'll just change the text here for this text view. Like I'll just put here 0. Okay guys, so I'll also change the margin top, constraint top to top of parent. Okay, so now I'll just increase this margin by around 40, let's say. So now I'll also increase the text size and just keep this 18. And we'll delete this edit text view as we don't need this. And I'll change the text for this button to increment. And we'll have to change this ID also, because as we have removed this edit text, so I'll just change this to text view so that this gets aligned properly. So now guys, what we have to do is we have to initiate these things in the main class. So I'll delete this edit text. I'll introduce a new variable text view by the name this. So here we'll do the same. We'll have to do this find view by ID dot the same ID that we have assigned in the layout here. Same for the button. And we'll change this to button from text view. So as we learned in the previous tutorial, for setting an on-click listener on a button, we have to do button dot set on-click listener. Then we have to type new, then just type O, and it will automatically tell you that to create an on-click listener. If you press enter, it will automatically generate the desired code. So what we'll do here is we'll change this variable from string to int, because we want to store numbers in this. So int, and I'll change this name also to value. So we'll on this button click, we'll have to increment the value of this integer. So what to do is we just type value then plus plus. So what this plus plus does is it will increment the value on every button click one by one. So if we just put minus minus, it will decrement it. So for now let's place plus plus, and in order to set this value to this text view, we'll have to do the same, like text view dot set text value. So now let's go ahead and run this project. So now as you can see, if I click the increment button, the app crashes. So in order to see what your crash is or where the error is coming, you'll have to go to the log cat button here. So by clicking on this, a dialog box opens and a lot of outputs that are coming. So you just need the error. You just need to see the error. So by clicking here and choosing error, you can get to know about what your error is by scrolling up till you find the error. So generally an error is, I'll just, there you go. So the error is this, a string resource ID error, and it is coming in main activity.java file on line 30. So if I click this, it will straight away take me to the place where it is causing the error. So here the error is that this value is an integer type, and to the text view we only set string variable values, so we cannot set an integer value. So what we'll do is we'll convert this to string dot string value dot value of So what this string dot value of will do is it will convert this integer value to string and then set it to the text view. So I'll just go ahead and run this again. So now if I click this button, it will increment the value. So now it is working perfectly. So if you want to check errors in future, you have to go in the logcat section, and then this menu opens up. Here all different kinds of output you will get, which you can check by going to the verbo section. So generally these are not of use. We generally see errors, or we use the debug whenever we are debugging the application. So the logs that we assign in code, we will get those in this debug area. So error is used to get different types of errors that are causing your app to crash or not respond. Here by clicking you can see all the different devices that are connected to your machine, and different emulators also. And from here you can, a drop down opens where you can select your application that you want to run or you want to debug. So that's it guys for this video.